Welcome to Matera, a city carved from stone, steeped in centuries of history. Join us as we explore the ancient charm and breathtaking beauty of this UNESCO World Heritage Site. Here, in the heart of Matera, every street tells a story. These ancient buildings, weathered by time, stand as silent witnesses to centuries of life and culture. Matera offers a glimpse into a timeless world. This is the ancient soul of Matera, the Sassi. Carved into the rock, these historic cave dwellings are among the oldest in the world, a living testament to human resilience and ingenuity. It's a place where past and present exist side by side. Remarkably, people still live here, in these centuries-old dwellings, preserving the spirit of Matera's past in everyday life. Descending the stone steps, we wander through a maze of cobbled alleys, each turn revealing another hidden corner of Matera's ancient charm. Standing here, surrounded by the timeless beauty of this city, there's a profound sense of gratitude, a quiet happiness just to witness this remarkable place where history and wonder come alive before our eyes. Every corner of this city is truly unique, radiating authenticity. This is something genuinely special, an experience that feels rare and unforgettable. La Lettura, a striking sculpture, symbolizes the connection between Matera's past and present, a tribute to culture, reflection, and timeless knowledge. Gravina di Matera, a breathtaking gorge carved by time, showcases the raw beauty and power of nature, cutting through the landscape with awe-inspiring depth. Across the Gravina di Matera, the caves you see were once homes and sanctuaries. Some of these caves are still homes that you can visit, and later in the video, we'll take you inside one to explore its unique history. As we continue our walk along this scenic path, we soon arrive at the rock church of Madonna del Virtu. We gaze at the altar framed by stunning frescoes on the walls behind it, before venturing deeper into the carved church to uncover its hidden wonders. Deeper inside the church, we admire several beautifully displayed artworks that not only reflect the history of the city, but also offer a glimpse into the lives of its people. We continue along the road that winds beside the gorge, taking in the stunning views that stretch out before us. It brings a sense of tranquility, and as we look to the right, we spot the Chiesa di San Pietro Caveoso, perched gracefully along the edge. In front of the church, there's a charming little square with a fantastic viewpoint overlooking the gorge. Here we are, immersed in the beauty and history of Matera, sharing this unforgettable experience with you. As the sunlight shines on the houses, it creates a joyful vibe, bringing the stone facades to life with warmth and charm. Here we take a moment to look around at Piazza Vittorio, Veneto, a lively square full of charm and surrounded by the city's historic beauty. This square offers access, via the stairs, to the underground cistern known as Palombaro lungo, a fascinating glimpse into Matera's underground history. This massive water reservoir once supplied the city with water. With a capacity to hold over 5 million liters, it is one of the largest cisterns of its kind in Matera. As evening sets in, we make our way toward a cave home. And as we reach our destination, a flock of birds takes flight, heading into the fading light of the evening. A Casa Cisterna is a traditional cave home where living spaces are carved directly into the rock. These homes were designed around underground cisterns, which stored water collected from rainfall, ensuring a vital supply for the inhabitants in this arid landscape. The cisterns are integrated into the structure, providing both practical utility and a unique living environment. Families lived alongside their animals, with spaces often shared by both people and livestock. The homes carved into the rock were simple and functional, designed to keep the family safe and sheltered while also housing goats, chickens, and other animals that provided food and resources. The central cistern, which stored water, was crucial not only for the family but also for the animals, helping sustain life in the harsh, arid environment. Life in a Casa Cisterna was not easy. The families lived on limited resources, space was tight, and conditions could be difficult, especially in the hot summer months and cold winters. The water stored in the cisterns was essential for survival, and the presence of animals added both a sense of responsibility and a practical need for the family. Despite these hardships, the people of Matera developed a strong bond with their homes and their community, finding ways to thrive in this unique and demanding way of life. As the evening draws near, the sunset casts a magical glow over the city. Matera transforms into a real-life fairy tale, with its golden facades glowing softly in the fading light, adding an enchanting warmth to this ancient city. As the night falls, the lights of the city begin to twinkle softly, gradually illuminating the streets and buildings. A quiet sense of warmth and coziness spreads through Matera, wrapping the city in a peaceful, almost magical atmosphere that we can't help but savor. We visited Matera during the low season, and while the city was relatively quiet, we have no regrets. Even in this peaceful time, the city still exudes a charming atmosphere, with its serene ambiance making it all the more special to experience. We make one last stop for the evening, this time to enjoy a delightful dinner at a restaurant we highly recommend. Nicchia nel Sasso, where the cozy atmosphere and delicious food make for the perfect end to our day in Matera. Each dish is a true delight, offering a delicious blend of taste and culture that will leave you wanting more.
Quella bocca deve mangiare,